I'm here with Alex outside the 5 metre by 5.8 metre. Yeah. No, 5.5 metre it is, the footprint, by 5.8 metres. Or internally, what is it in feet, did you say? 16 foot by 17 foot?
Internally.
Yeah. So you've got some new fancy sliding doors to show me.
Yeah, well, we're just trying to divide the studio. So as you can see, and you may have looked at previous videos, it's a very open plan studio. So the idea, remember when we talk open plan, we're talking the quadrant of the four. I always think of the quadrant of the four. Relaxing, sleeping, washing and eating.
In the kitchen.
So all four are in here in open plan. You can see each aspect from wherever you are. But you may, for reasons, you know, that you may have somebody coming to visit you, and you, although you love the open plan, you haven't made your bed. So somebody's coming, so
that's it now, completely private.
So yeah,
that's fantastic.
Yeah, and then it's all concealed over there. So you've got the open plan, but you've also got the chance,
flexibility of it being more private.
Yeah, so you can close everything off.
And plus, if there was two people asleep in here, one could be watching TV while the other's in bed asleep.
Or, you know, if your grandchildren were staying, you could turn that into a bed settee, and then so. You know, we can't petition the studio off, and this is one of the ways.
And they just fold away as though they don't exist.
Yeah. So that's them gone.
Yeah.
And so we're back to open plan again.
Yeah, and just as a little revision, just so as you just pointed out, we've got the bedroom, the living room, the kitchen, and the bathroom in here. So for people that haven't seen it all before, that's fantastic. That's a big improvement. I really like that.
Yeah. I think it gives that privacy. If you want that privacy. Yeah. But the doors are there, but it feels. Everybody comes in here. How big it feels.
Yeah.
And we'll go into that one and show you another door, but that doesn't feel quite as big. But as this one, even though it is bigger.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Thank you.